Another day, another SPAC, and today I will finally talk about one. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will talk about a SPAC which I usually don't do because I find them very dangerous. I think that last time I talked about a SPAC was when Hyliion was merging and when I said that Nikola merger was a no-no for me. But I think this one is also different, and as I said with Hyliion, and mainly because the deal has been announced already, so it is not longer a rumor. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing and smashing that like button since it really helps my channel out. Also, I have a completely free Discord group chat, which the link for that is down in the description below. I decided to do this video after a member of the Discord group chat asked for my opinion on the company. So today I'm talking about the merger between GHVI, Gorrin Holding 6, which is a SPAC company, and Matterport. Matterport is basically this scanning app that can be used for buildings and be able to turn any physical space into a digital one with a 360-degree scan. Something like what Google did with Google Street View. They basically digitalized every single physical space on the streets for us to be able to see from our phones how the places we are looking for looks and what to expect. The difference is that Matterport is mainly used for real estate, construction, retail, and many more, which I will talk about that later on the video. This kind of technology is not that new. People would use them before with very professional cameras, but the difference here with Matterport is that yes, they do offer a very expensive professional camera, but now they also offer smaller and cheaper cameras and a mobile app that could do most of the same functions that the camera, so literally anyone with a smartphone could use their technology nowadays. Another excellent thing is that it obviously works with AI, artificial intelligence, to collect all that data you are scanning. And obviously with any company that uses AI, the more data they collect, more virtual tours they do. Now their technology use obviously massive increase this last year, accelerated the growth throughout the pandemic because people could not go out to buy a house, and real estate agents and companies started offering more and more virtual tours about the property, so the clients wouldn't have to go and physically visit the property unless it was necessary or it was the one that they already would like to buy. Obviously, that helped Matterport a lot to show people how their technology works and how it could help in every day. Now, you could easily use their technology when traveling if you like to keep images of your Airbnb, hotel room, or cruise cabin. If you like it and want to do something similar at home, for example, in construction to see the daily, weekly, or monthly progress of the building, and then in retail and many more spaces. Take your building online with Matterport to design, build, promote, and manage your most valuable asset at your fingertips. If you ask me, I think this technology is incredible and that the company has a nice growth path in front of them if things are done right with time and they continue innovating and improving. For example, in their investor presentation, they have this slide, which if you click it, you will see this. It is basically IKEA from Krakow. You are able to see the floor plan, the dollhouse, obviously walk around as you would do with any virtual tour, and even measure any single furniture. So basically you are able to see what it is in IKEA without needing to go physically. Measure the furniture you like, and even if you can find it, apparently they let you look for it as they did with sprinkles right here. If this is not futuristic, I don't know what it is. Now, Matterport to go public via Alec Gore's SPAC in $2.9 billion deal. To support the transaction, the companies will raise about $295 million from investors, including Ticker Global Management, Senator Investment Group, Dragoneer Investment Group, and Fidelity Management and Research Co. The deal is expected to close in the second quarter of 2021, so this year, and Matterport plans to trade on NASDAQ under the ticker symbol MTTR. They have huge companies as customers in different industries such as Redfin, Century 21, Airbnb, LinkedIn, and many more. Now, they will be merging with Gorrin Holding 6, apparently because of their investment experience, technology, and because they are a nice addition to the company. Gorrin Holding, which is owned by Gorrin Group, owned by Alec Gorrin, have already closed 5 other business combinations, and they apparently are the only ones whose brands require an independent third-party fairness opinion. This is the theme of the company, but remember, this is a sales speech since they want people to invest in the company, so take it with a grain of salt. Their CEO have worked in Google, Apple, and eBay. Others have worked in Salesforce, PayPal, LinkedIn, and many more. Another part of their sales speech is their expected growth. As you can see, the growth in subscribers and space under management grew massively in 2020, and they're expecting that growth to continue. On their financial summary, they are expecting to have a very nice growth year over year of 59% compound annual growth rate. They are very aggressive with these expectations, in my opinion, as I would assume it is because of the possible growth AI offers to companies. They are expecting to be profitable by 2024 after having a total revenue of $510.3 million, which if that is true, if they are able to get profitable by 2024, it's actually fine. It would be a nice investment. Now, obviously, there are risks with investing in this company. First and most important is possible competitors. As of right now, they are the leaders in the industry, and obviously with time we might see some competitors coming out on Amazon or other websites with possible cheaper products and devices, but remember that cheap is not always better, and Matterport has been collecting tons and tons of data throughout the years. The more and more data they collect, the more advanced they will be, since they will be able to innovate faster, and obviously who has more data wins. We have seen that in other industries, mostly in the EV industry. Tesla has been the market leader and could easily continue being it even after so many competitors have come out because of all the amount of data they have collected throughout the years. Data collection, in my opinion, is giving Matterport kind of a competitive advantage here. Obviously, one of the risks of investing in this company is that it's going public through a SPAC. And the SPAC space have been very hype in the past year. As long as we see a rumor or a possible merger, the SPAC explodes, forgetting about valuation of the company. It could easily double or triples, and people certainly do not care at all. In my opinion, that is not investing. That is just trading short-term or gambling. For example, with Matterport or Gorrin holding, the stock is already at $16.40 per share. That is a 64% growth from the $10 per share that the deal is supposed to go out for. Even though the merger is already confirmed, we do have to take into consideration that anything could happen since the deal is expected to close in the second quarter. But the question is, will I invest in this SPAC before the merger? And the answer is maybe yes. Yes, I will. I might start a position this week on my Webull portfolio, which is my kind of gamble portfolio, and track it to see if I'm able to get a better price on my Robinhood portfolio. Hopefully it does not get that crazy too fast, but unlike other SPACs, this one is already officially announced, so you really know what you're buying into. I think Matterport has an untapped and significant potential and outstanding management that will help them with massive growth over time. I think that their product and technology is incredible, and it is easy to scale and innovate every single year if they would like to. A lot of people are going to start using their phone while it gets better and better in quality, because I've used the app with the phone and it's not like the camera, but still is very innovative. I tried it in my home. I would recommend you try it. Download the app, it's completely free, and do a 3D scan in your room. Because come on, how many times have you taken photos of a room when you travel or when you visit something and you do a panoramic view from your phone? Well, this will be way better than that, and I think that will help with their growth as well. Are you investing in this company? Do you like the company? Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this, the technology, the SPAC merger, the financials, the growth, and everything. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please smash that like button and subscribe, since it really helps the channel out. Remember about the completely free Discord group chat, which the link for that is down in the description below, as well as the 2 free stocks with Webull when you get by signing up with them, opening an account with them, and depositing $100. Remember that you have to open an account with them, because if you only sign up, you will not get any free stuff. Thank you, and see you next time.